Hey everyone, the ViewSonic XG273-4K-OLED represents a bold and premium step into the next generation of gaming monitors. Released in China at a price of around $900, this monitor offers a blend of cutting-edge display technology and thoughtful design that targets both competitive gamers and creative professionals. At the heart of the XG273 is a 26.5-inch QD-OLED panel manufactured by Samsung Display. This screen delivers a native 4K resolution at a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate, an impressive feat that caters to high-performance gaming. The panel supports an ultra-fast gray-to-gray response time of just 0.03 milliseconds, ensuring near-instantaneous transitions with minimal motion blur. In fact, it carries the VESA ClearMR 13000 certification, a standard that confirms its ability to maintain visual clarity during fast-paced gameplay. Color performance is another standout feature. The monitor offers wide color gamut coverage, 100% sRGB, 98% Adobe RGB, and 99% DCI-P3, making it suitable for color-critical work such as photo and video editing. With factory calibration achieving an average delta E of less than 1 and support for true 10-bit color, it delivers vibrant and accurate visuals right out of the box. Connectivity options are modern and plentiful. The inclusion of 2 DisplayPort 2.1 ports and 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs enables native 4K at 240 Hz without compression, a crucial feature for gamers who demand the highest fidelity. A USB-C port with 100-watt power delivery is also integrated, allowing for simultaneous laptop charging and display output, an increasingly valuable feature for professionals who juggle work and play on a single setup. Gaming performance is further optimized through support for both FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync, helping to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering regardless of your GPU choice. ViewSonic enhances the user experience with a suite of game-oriented features in the on-screen display menu. These include night vision, which brightens dark areas, cat vision, which improves detail in shadowed environments, and Eagle Eye, which acts as a digital zoom tool to give players a better view of specific in-game elements. Aesthetic and ergonomic features round out the package. The monitor comes equipped with customizable RGB ambient lighting and a pair of 3-watt speakers that offer basic audio functionality. Its stand supports full adjustability, tilt, swivel, height, and pivot, allowing users to position it for maximum comfort. Features like picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture are included for multitasking across different devices or inputs. Internally, ViewSonic has engineered the monitor with a fanless thermal system. Using a full graphene sheet and an aluminum heatsink, the XG273 passively dissipates heat to maintain consistent performance while remaining silent. Comfort is also a priority, with a hardware-level low blue light filter and DC dimming to reduce eye fatigue during long sessions without sacrificing color quality. Altogether, the ViewSonic XG273-4K-OLED is a powerhouse monitor that checks nearly every box for gamers and creators alike. It combines top-tier image quality, ultra-smooth motion handling, and thoughtful ergonomic and connectivity features into a single, sleek package. For users looking to invest in a future-proof 4K gaming display, the XG273 sets a high bar. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.